Yeah, hello team. Today we are going to learn what is a relational database, and at the same time we are going to learn some fundamentals about MySQL. Okay, so in the last session we understand what is data, what is database, what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, and we need to understand little bit more about RDBMS. And today we are going to install MySQL. MySQL is a relational database management system. So we are going to install it now itself, and we are going to create database. We are going to create tables. We are going to do some. We are going to apply some SQL queries. Okay. So are you ready, team? Are you ready
Yes, sir.
to
Yes,
learn
yes.
relational database management system and some fundamentals of SQL? And we are going to create some tables today. So who are watching this video, just give a like button and comment it so that it will reach more people, because 90% of the students didn't learn the fundamentals of our database. Okay, so at least it should reach more people. Okay, fine. Without wasting time, let's recollect what we have learned yesterday. Simple. So if you want to understand what is database, at least we should know what is data. Okay, data means any kind of data, like video file, audio file, or text file, and the table kind of information, or a word, excel, anything we can consider as a data. And if you store that data in a particular location, suppose simply a database means organized collection of the information or data. So if you store in a structured way, then we can call it as a database. Okay, we gone through these basics yesterday. So on DBMS, okay, DBMS is different and database is different, because DBMS is a software uh, which will allow us to do CRUD operations on this particular data. So either you can interact with the data, if you want to interact through some application, suppose Node.js, Express.js server. If you want to interact with the database, okay, we should interact with the database management system, and user or any developer or anything, any person or any application, if you want to get the data from database, or if you want to add some data or delete some data, so we need a database management system. So we have and we should understand one important thing, that is a relational database. The relational database means, especially, they will store, okay, in this kind of databases, we will store the data in the table format that we are going to see in a live today. Okay, we will store the data in a table format. It should have as the fixed schema, and even we will maintain the relations between the tables. Okay, why we need to maintain the relationships, what is the advantage of that? Slowly we can understand all these things. And examples of RDBMS, just tell me, everyone, just tell me loudly all these things. What are the RDBMS available in the market?
Oracle, MySQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQL-like, MariaDB.
Yeah, lots of RDBMS are available in the market. So Oracle and MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server, these are very popular, because they came in the initial era. So later, the Postgres SQL also very popular. SQLite is also very popular. A lot of other things also there. So here, so mainly the concept means, what is relational database means, it will allow us to maintain the relationship between the tables. That is very important. Okay, that we will understand with some good examples. So, and of course, now we are entering into the MySQL, because MySQL is open source code, so that anyone can download with the free of cost, and you can learn easily. Okay, that's why I preferred to teach the MySQL. But whenever you are learning, same thing like my SQL Server and Oracle and MySQL, all other relational databases follows the same kind of things. So here we should understand SQL. Okay, SQL means a structured query language. So with the help of this language, we can do some operation because we have a RDBMS. That software is there. With that software, if you want to interact with the database, it will be helpful, that SQL queries. Okay, without wasting time, let's install the MySQL so that we can create our tables and everything directly so that we can understand easily. So just go to the MySQL, the official website. Okay, everyone do it now itself. Don't waste the time. Okay, don't postpone. If you start postponing, you will never complete the learning. So just go to official website MySQL and go to the downloads. Okay, and you will see, just a minute, which is for when I downloaded trial download, not trial, customer download. Just a minute, just a minute.
MySQL committee downloads.
Community you
Downloads.
should have downloaded. Just a minute.
Last one.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, yes. Go to community download. There's lots of options are there. Just click on this MySQL community, the downloads, mysql.com downloads. MySQL.com downloads for Windows. I have downloaded something different. Because I think few hours back only I downloaded, but which one I downloaded? Customer downloaded. So let me give this URL. Anyway, you are watching the live, right? For wasting time, I will just add in that comment so that just copy that URL. Hopefully, it's a community edition. So just anyway, you are watching the live, right? And just adding in the chat. Now go to the chat and copy that URL. You can find it. Yeah. So now that one only. Oh my God! Sorry, I forgot. Now I downloaded.
So click on MySQL installer. Go
Sir,
to
www.mysql.com, sir.
MySQL installer. Okay, where is that?
no sir. Click there on MySQL community.
MySQL community.
Downloads.
Then after
Okay.
last option is there Windows install MySQL installer.
MySQL
Yeah.
installer for Windows.
Okay. Good. Yes. It's perfect. And
No, you cannot
just select
install it.
Microsoft Windows. Yeah. Just download this one. Windows 32-bit MS install. Oh yeah, this one. Sorry for wasting your time. Okay, this one. Go to that particular one and download it. Okay, once you have downloaded that installer, okay, you will find that in a downloads folder. Okay, I have already installed on my machine. So, but just try to install. Okay, if anyone is interested to share your screen, just share your screen so that I will help you because I already installed on my machine. My machine is dying like anything. It is going. Okay, done. Can anyone share your screen?
Yes, sir, I'm sharing.
Yeah, I will explain the steps.
So it's visible.
Yeah, it's loading.
So I downloaded the installer one. I mean this.
Yes, yes. And here in the bottom, no thanks, just start my download
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. So I just tried this installer only 2.4 MB,
Okay.
downloaded,
Okay.
and then I opened it and it came like this.
Okay. And just select the option full
Okay.
and click on next. Execute. Just follow the same steps, what we're doing. It will take some time to install all those things. Do it now itself so that we can create some databases and we can use SQL, we can create some tables that you will enjoy. MySQL router, it is showing some error.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it should show next option. Because of
Yeah.
that error, it is not showing. So just click on that, double click on it,
No, it's not working.
not allowing. Just right click on that,
Nothing.
nothing. Oh my God. Just try to install one more time.
Yeah, yeah. Black. And then next. Now it's ready to install.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's done.
yeah. Let's go to next. Again, execute.
So now it's installing, I think.
Everyone do it and just let me know. You've done.
Sir, it is MySQL Workbench, right?
It is MySQL.
Workbench.
I'm not sure about the workbench. It is
Yeah, in my system, it is already installed MySQL Workbench.
okay, but just try to download it. This one as well.
Oh, okay, okay, sir.
If it is not allowing, that's a different story. And even in through that workbench, if you are able to create the tables and all those things, that is fine.
Yes, yes, sir. I already created some tables and
Uh,
use
then
this.
then fine, then fine. Because even I'm not good at MySQL. Because I just used MySQL today only. Previously, I worked with SQL Server and Oracle. That is, I think, 10 years back. Yeah, while watching this video, you also can install the things and get ready. If you already installed, just forward the video for 5 to 10 minutes so that we can discuss. Actually, this is very, very important. You should, because while doing a graduation, you should when all these things happen. I don't know why students are postponing all this learnings.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, go to next. Again, next. Okay, just a minute. That's fine. Next, go to next. Again, next. Just set
So we'll
some
be good.
password and remember that password.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Do I need to add a user?
No, right now, no need. Just go to next.
So we'll
Yeah, again, next. Next.
see.
Those are default settings
Okay.
because it is asking the location where you want to.
No, it you can't set another one. I think it's taking it as a default C.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is giving a default path. Yeah,
Okay,
next, and again execute, execute. So it will install everything. So if anyone watching this session in the live, I just added a meeting link in the description. You can join.
done.
Done. That's fantastic. One minute. Finish. Yeah, next. Finish. Finish. Finish.
Do I need to click on this or not?
No need. No
It's
need. The default
okay.
settings are fine. Again, next. Yeah, here enter the password, the same password which you have entered
Okay.
previously.
Do I need to check?
Yeah,
Yeah.
settings. Perfect. Click on next. Execute again. Yeah, finish. Then next. Okay, how many steps it is? Okay, click on finish now. Hopefully it is done now.
Nice.
It's open. It's open. You can just wait for a minute.
Yes.
Yeah, remaining people done so far.
Yes, sir. MySQL Workbench only.
Downloading.
Pawan done. Okay. Om Prakash, Pankaj.
It is
Sir,
it
how
is
to check
downloading.
password, sir?
Sorry, how to?
Check password.
How to check password means? Uh,
I already given password few days ago.
a few days ago you
Now,
forgot.
yeah.
I don't know how to revoke that.
Okay, sir. I will check in YouTube.
No, just do trial and error.
Okay.
Uninstall it.
Now it is opening, sir.
No, it's opening. Okay, fine. So if everything is ready, Mayur, just here it's showing MS SQL connections, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just create a new connection. Click on that plus icon.
Okay.
Connection. Just give connection name like
Paste
connection
or
one.
something. Okay.
Test connection one something. Not text. Test.
Sorry.
Test connection one. Okay, fine. Yeah, just click on test connection at the bottom. Enter your password and just give a tick mark. Save password in. Okay, it's successful. Yeah, just click on OK now. Yeah, click on the test connection one. Yes, you open MySQL. Okay, that's it. What about remaining students? Done?
I'm downloading same.
Really?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen. Mayur, you can stop sharing for a while. Yeah, we're able to see your screen. Just click on next. Yeah, give some password.
Next.
Yeah, next. Next.
What do I do?
Yeah, execute. Yeah, next. Yeah, finish. Finish. No, 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 don't select anything. Yeah, click on finish. Next. I just enter your password, which you have given few seconds back. Yeah, click on check. That's perfect. Click on next. Execute. Finish. Next. Yes, finish. It will open the MS SQL. So MySQL. Just create a new connection by clicking on that plus icon. MySQL connections plus. Yeah, just give some connection name. Test connection. Enter your password and give the yeah tick that tick box. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Click on OK again. Uh, Now click on the test connection. Yeah, it's opened MySQL. Congratulations, Pankaj. Okay, next. Just wait for a minute. Anyone
Can I
is still
can I
doing?
close? Can I close this?
No need, no need. Just minimize it. Pankaj done, Mayur done, Pavan done. Srijan, what about you, Srijan? And Nagendra, Om Prakash,
I done, sir.
done? Okay. Prakash, you also done?
Sir, can I present? Can I present, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Do it, do it. Yeah, share your screen.
Sir,
Yeah, download the first one. Top one, yeah. Yes, click this. No, no, no. Click on no thanks. Just start my download. Yeah, it's already started downloading. Go to downloads folder.
yes, sir.
It's almost 40%. 50, 60. Sujan, how are you doing?
Sir, I will do after some time. Because I connected with phone. After
Okay,
some with recording, I do.
okay, fine, no issues. Yeah, just open that installer. Yeah, go to downloads. Oh, it's still okay. I think it's already downloaded. Downloads folder. Mm, double click on it. It will start. Akash, are you doing like? I think your screen got struck. I'm not able to see any changes on your screen.
Sir, here you will continue to this level.
Now what happening?
Yes, sir. Can you click this there?
Sorry, just stop and share again. Stop
Okay.
presentation and yeah, share it one more time. Yeah, just go to the downloads folder. Okay, just click on the download icon at the top. The
It is a downloaded one, sir.
down arrow mark at the top right. పైన గూగుల్ ఐకాన్ ఉంది, స్టార్ మార్క్ ఉంది, డౌన్లోడ్ ఐకాన్ ఉంది, ఆ పక్కన యూజర్ ఐకాన్ ఉంది కదా, దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేయి. లేదంటే గో టు డెస్క్టాప్ అండ్ గో టు డౌన్లోడ్ ఫోల్డర్స్. యా ఆ పక్కన ఫోల్డర్ ఐకాన్ ఉందా, దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేయి. యా క్లిక్ చేయి.
Yeah, this one only, sir.
యా ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఇట్ is not opening.
No, sir.
Okay, minimize that browser. Minimize it. Okay, I think system got struck. Okay,
Hide this one.
right? It is not allowing to minimize, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. I think some heavy load on your machine.
I will try once more, sir. I will try once more after our video.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Now you can stop sharing. Okay, fantastic. So at least you have downloaded, right? So that's fantastic. So if you're watching this video, if you have completed the installation process, just add that in the comment section that installation is done. Okay, at least it will be helpful for other people. They'll get some motivation. Okay, fine. Let me share my screen again so that we are going to create. Suppose if you are creating first time, it will be more fun. Hmm, just MySQL. I think this is the workbench. You're correct, because I didn't work on MS SQL, so MySQL, so I confused with this. Yeah, welcome to MySQL workbench. That's fantastic. So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you see, maybe whenever you open the first time, hopefully you're able to see this screen, right? On the left side, management, instance, or performance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, exactly.
And hopefully you will see this the schemas. Okay, here.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me in that schema section, What are the things you're able to see on your machine?
Just like Saki, La, Cis, and World.
World. Okay, there is no college, right?
Yeah.
So that I have created a few years back. Okay, so here through this MS SQL relational database management system, we can create databases and we can create tables, all these things. Okay, if you're able to see some, these are the databases, so we can create multiple databases. Okay, so how to create a database? So if you want to create it, because this is a software, through this software, we are going to interact with the database. The database means like the storage location where you can add information or data in a structured and the proper way. So, but we need a language to interact, right? So that is SQL, a structured query language. So if you're not able to this SQL file, or even there is a plus icon, so that if you click on that, you can get another file. So you can write SQL query. So, so now we are going to create the database. Okay, are you ready, everyone? How many of you
Yes,
are
sir.
how many of you are doing first time? How many of you are doing first time?
First time, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, at least because I think you are too late. You should have done at least 5 to 6 years back, at least in a BTech second year. Okay, so anyone remember SQL query to create a database by mistake? I think if you are doing first
Create
time,
table.
definitely not. Okay.
Create table name.
Okay, I'm asking database.
Okay.
Hopefully same, right? Create
Database.
database. Okay. So I used to prefer to give a capital letters. Even if you give a small letter, that is fine. Like these keywords, create a database. And now for database name, okay, create database, and after that, just give a database name. So I have created a database with the name college. So now here we can go with the company. Otherwise, we can go with the SVG We can create our own database for now. So, and once you have written this one, and so if you see, you will see some icons here. So the first one is execute the selected portion of the script or everything if there is no selection. So it is asking like execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. Okay, it's better to go with the first one because even sometimes if you have added multiple statements, it will allow you to select the specific statement and execute it. Okay, right now we are doing step by step. We have only one statement right now. Don't worry. So that just click on this. So create database SVJE done. So where is our database? So it has given a green button, but where is our database? Oh my God. Can anyone tell me where is our database? SVGIE. It should be there here only, right? Only thing is just refresh now.
Refresh that. Refresh that.
Yeah, we got the first our database. So whenever you create a database, so it will provide some scheme like a simple tabs here like tables, views. Okay, right now we don't have any views, we don't have any tables. Okay, those are empty. Fine. Okay, are you ready to create your first database? And just create the first database and let me know. Do it now itself. Quick, because I know if I say you can do practice later, you will do it after 1 week or 2 weeks. So I don't want to give a chance to postpone because these are very important things. Do it and just let me know uh, that I have created my first database and just mention the database name. You don't need to create with the same SVGIE. You can create with your own interested name. Done?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
done,
I'm
sir.
done.
Okay, fine. We have created our database. So now, because in a relational database management system, um, we are going to store the data in the form of tables. So that is very, very important. So we should understand how to create a table. So I'm just removing this one because I already have the database. So here I want to create a data table under SVGA because here we have lots of databases, right? So for that, just write some command like use SVGIE so that if you create a table, it is going to apply on SVGIE database. Okay, so that we should mention use SVGIE. And anyone remember how to create a table? Create, tell me, table.
Student.
Okay, table name. Then what?
Like character, primary key.
What?
How to define that properties?
No, tell me the script. Yeah, ask Google and tell me.
Column one data types.
What? Okay, column name. So students, what?
Yeah.
First
First
name.
name,
What is the data type?
character.
Character is enough. Okay, how many characters?
Uh, 1000.
Or we can go with the varchar, right? If I'm not
Yeah.
wrong. 20 is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, before the first name, ID is very important, right?
Yes, sir.
ID. Okay, ID will be what?
I think
Colon or
primary key.
something?
Primary key.
No, first data type.
Okay.
Number?
Number, sir.
Sure. Number or NUM? What is the exact thing?
Int.
Huh?
Int.
In,
Yes, sir. Int.
yeah. And then if you want to add any constraint, suppose if you want to make it as a primary key so that it is not going to allow the duplicates, right? What is primary key?
Yes, sir. It is not allowed duplicates. Unique ID.
Yes, unique
Unique
ID.
ID.
So that what we can what we can do here, primary
Key.
in comma, this colon or something else because I forgot actually. Or okay, we can
I
take
think no
my
column, sir.
MySQL create table. Okay, sorry because really I didn't work on SQL for a long time. That's why I'm struggling. So if you see person in something, if you want to add some constraints, you can add with the help of. Okay, fine. So last name varchar of 255 comma. We don't need to give any semicolon kind of thing. That's what I'm asking. So yeah, ID int primary key and first name varchar of 20. That is fine for us. First name and last name varchar of again 20. Now tell me age. What will be the data type for this?
Int.
integer, right?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. And do we need to add any constraint for this?
Two, three.
Tell me, just think, is it possible for us to allow nulls for the age?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We should not allow, right? Because age,
Yes, sir.
every person, every student should have an age, right? Because if it's there, definitely age will be there. So that what we can do here, not.
None.
So lots of data types are there, lots of constraints are there. So these are the just fundamental things. I'm not sure whether our script is proper or not. So hopefully it is correct. Okay, let's. Can I execute or can you suggest any changes in this?
So I can use SVGIK. It need a semicolon after SVGI.
Semicolon. Okay, yeah, because that is a separate statement. Okay, fine. Now shall we execute?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Yes, it's done. Let's refresh. Go to the tables. Yeah, we got our table. Okay. Even if you see columns are there, ID, first name, last name, age. Okay. So go and create your first table now itself. Everyone could create. Done. You just let me know once you have done. Once you have done, just try to find out the query, how to insert a row in a table. Okay, first let me know once you have done. Once you create a table.
Yes, sir. Create.
Created everyone.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now, because we have a empty table, right? So if you do, okay, first if you want to see the rows, if you want to display the information from the table, just tell me what is the query.
Select star.
Use SVGIE. I'm moving. Yeah, tell me. Select.
Select star.
Good. From?
from
What's the table name?
Friends.
students.
So just execute it. Do we have any rows? Any data? No, right?
No,
Yes,
sir.
nothing is there. So our responsibility is like, okay, let's add some rows. Okay, just tell me what is a SQL query to insert new rows. Just check in the Google and let me know. Because I want to add ID, I want to add a first name, I want to add a last name, I want to add age to the students table.
Insert into table.
Very good. Tell me, insert
Into
into,
students,
then
like first name, ID, first name,
what? I need to write like 101.
brackets.
Okay. The ID, we can start with 101. Name, do we need to do a double quotations?
So I think insert into it need to add the same name which we created, ID, first name, last name, age. Then there's second insert values. Then we can give like a name
Okay,
as
suppose
per the
if I
internet.
want to insert all the columns, this is fine, right? Insert into students or insert into students values. I need to add values here.
No, no, no. I
Then,
mean, we need to
That,
first give names.
yeah, we need to add all the fields actually. This is fine. Is it correct or wrong?
sir, you have to give like first name, last name,
Do we need to
ID.
mention? No, no. I don't think we need to mention the column names.
After mentioning, we have to mention values, right?
So suppose whenever, if I'm not wrong, suppose if you have a 20 columns and if you want to update, if you want to insert only 4 or 5 columns, at the time you need to mention the column names in the order. If you are inserting all the fields, I don't think I think we don't need to add any extra mention column names. Can I just check in the Google? Just check in the Google. Insert into table command. So if you see insert into table, and suppose if you have 100 columns, and if you're updating only 4 to 5 columns, you need to mention. Otherwise, this is fine, right? I'm not. I think I don't. I only need to recollect, but hopefully my guess is correct. Let me try. If it is wrong, we can. I think it's showing error. That means it's wrong. 01 is not a valid at this position. Expecting select the set to table values value.
So you need to mention first the column names.
Values.
Yes. Firstly, you have to ID.
Hmm, no, but okay. First name.
Last name, age,
Uh,
and
is it fine?
after no, after that you have to mention values.
Values.
Yes.
Values. These are the columns and these are the
Values.
values.
Yes.
Still it is showing some error.
Sir, after students, you want to remove already.
Remove star from students.
Perfect.
Yes, it is perfect. Remove step
Yes, sir.
star from students.
Right now this is not required. Okay, let me execute.
Yeah, it will
Boom.
exit.
Hopefully it is successful. Let's see whether it is successful or not.
Yes, it's successful. Yeah,
Select star
from students.
from students. We got it. 101, Mayur, triple K, and 22. And let me add a few more details. Okay, can anyone find out? I'm doing one small mistake. Can anyone find out what's my mistake? I'm just doing like page.
Sir, ID automatically generated by using primary key.
Automatically it will generate so that we don't need to pass it.
I think so, sir.
Mhm. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you suggested, I'm not passing ID so that it should auto
Will
generate.
give one, two.
This is correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, it is showing insert into students. It is throwing an error.
Yeah,
Right
so you
ID
have to
once.
mention ID also.
ID also. So if I give a same ID, what will happen?
I think it throws errors.
Why it will throw an error?
Is primary. You have a defined primary key.
Yes. Because in the schema, we have defined that this ID is the primary key, so that it should not allow the duplicate values. That is a really, really important one. So let me execute because it should throw an error. It should throw an error. Yeah, we got an error. So what it's saying, duplicate entry 101 for key students is a primary. So that we should go with 102. And I think I have changed the name. Yes. So let me execute one more time. Okay. Now I just executed. Yeah, it is successful. And let me add a few more details. Prakash. Hey Sujal, why you are going out and coming back? Okay, fine. So I have created two records. Okay, and I'm just doing select star from the students. Okay, fine. We got the details. Okay, just do the same thing. Just insert at least two, three items into the table and do select start from students, and let's see whether you're able to see the data or not. Okay, everyone should do now itself. Yeah, just go with the same syntax. Suppose if you want to insert ID, first name, last name, and age. So there's lots of things are there. If you want to insert only two columns information, how what is the query, and if you want to select only a few specified columns, these are the fundamentals learned around in 2011, if I'm not wrong, in Amirpet, Pete's Institute. I've learned SQL Server and Oracle, but really long back. I think from last 8 to 9 years, I didn't practice anything. So that I need to recollect all these queries. But you should not do those mistakes. So please remember all the queries, because you should mention SQL and at least one relational database management system and one NoSQL database in your resume. So here you're learning MySQL. Okay, I'm not going to teach all the things in the MySQL. So we are focusing on MongoDB. So that you should, this is your responsibility. You should learn MySQL and you should add that in your resume so that you will get more and more good impression from the recruiters. You should remember like second table, two ones are two, two twos are four. Okay, everyone knows that, right? Even if I ask in like at 2 o'clock in the morning, whenever you're in a deep sleep, in the same way, you should remember all these like queries. Okay, how to insert, how to create schema, like and how to create a database, how to create the table, and how to create views, and how to create a stored procedures, and how to create functions. Okay, don't try to learn all the things in one day, but slowly you can learn. Okay, okay, team. Like it's already done my time, so that see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Please do it and mention in the comment section that creation of table and inserting the rows and so is done. Thank you and see you again
Thank
tomorrow.
you, sir.